In this video, we will show you how to change YouTube channel name. In 2025, to change your channel name, it's different with the older version of YouTube. How you can change your YouTube channel name here? First example, you can open your YouTube dashboard and you can open your channel by clicking on the profile picture like this. Okay, then you can choose customize channel button here, and after that you can see there is profiles. You can scroll down until you found there is name here, and from this you can change your channel name. And after that you need to click the publish button here. Okay, when you click publish, the channel name will also change. You can view the channel later. Maybe on the different device takes until 24 hours. So you need to wait until all of the name of your channel has been changed. And that's all tutorial how to change your YouTube channel name. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.